Let's take a look at creating this series of louvers on a fender. Before I begin, I want to be clear in stating that this video is just meant to be a modeling exercise to create a certain look. I have no knowledge on how such a feature can be manufactured, so the model I have created here might not be manufacturable. This block roughly approximates the overall shape of the feature. This is basically a cuboid with a fillet on one of its edges. Let's begin by defining the region where the louvers are. I have prepared a sketch on the front plane. Go to Modify, Split Face. For faces to split, click on the front face and the fillet. For splitting tool, click on the select box and select the sketch. I have prepared another sketch on the top plane. Repeat the split face command. Select these faces to split. And select this sketch as a splitting tool. We have now defined this to be the region where the louvers reside. We are now going to turn this into a plate with this region as an opening. Go to Modify, Shell. Remove the chain selection option so that we can select faces individually. Select these faces and the opening. Adjust the thickness. Begin a sketch on this face. Start a 3-point arc. Place one of its points a short distance away from this corner and make it tangent to the horizontal edge. Activate the Surface tab. Go to Create, Sweep. Select the arc as the profile. For Path, click on the Select box and select this chain of edges. Keep in mind that the path does not actually need to intersect with the profile for this to work. Go to Create, Thicken. Select this surface body to thicken. Adjust the thickness. We do not want this to merge with the main body just yet. So for operation, set to New Body. Go to Create, Pattern, Rectangular Pattern. For object type, select Bodies and select the thickened surface body. For axis, select the x-axis. For distribution type, set to spacing. Adjust the quantity and spacing. The seat feature was swept along the longer path. So as the pattern propagates, we do expect there to be excess on the interior. If we use a simple extruded cut, we will be cutting more than required. Also, the cut will not look natural. Let's adopt a thickened cut instead. Go to Create, Offset. Remove the Chain Selection option and select these two faces. Set the offset distance to 0 to create a copy. Go to Create, Thicken. Select the new surface body to thicken. Adjust the distance such that it fully encompasses the excess of the louvers. Set the operation to cut. These louvers are still separate bodies. Activate the Solid tab. Go to Modify, Combine. And combine all these bodies into one.